applause for Six Sense. Ayan. So should we start with a few questions before we proceed with the signing? Okay, I just have a few questions for our boys from Six Sense before tayo ay mag-sign. At ang una-unang katatanong sa inyo, anong pakiramdam na today you're officially part of the Lux White family?
Actually, very thankful and excited po. We are not just thankful but grateful po talaga for Sir RS and Sir SV for giving us this kind of opportunity. Because to be honest po, ito po talaga yung biggest yet brand namin. Kaya we are very grateful sa kanila po because nakakita po sila sa amin ng glow and freshness to be a part of this brand. And actually, hindi pa rin po kami talaga makapaniwala na nauutal pa rin po kasi grabe po talaga yung excitement na nararamdaman ng buong group to be here and to be sitting here and signing a contract with Lux White. Kaya maraming salamat po talaga sa lahat ng mga tao nandito and of course kay Sir RS and kay Sir SV po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Yes, gaya po ng sabi ni Kuya WJ, ito po yung biggest brand po namin. Sobrang laking milestone po talaga sa amin ito. Yung Lux White kasi, yung Lux White stands for being fresh and confident na we think bagay sa grupo namin na Six Sense.
And ayun po, actually it feels surreal talaga kasi we've been dreaming of having a big partnership with a renowned brand po talaga. And isa yun, yung Lux White, yung sa pinaka nilolook forward po namin. And now, magsisign na po kami ng contract with them. And it's so happy, fulfilling on our end. Kasi parang minamerge po yung philosophies namin eh. Ang Lux White po, china-champion niya yung beauty, inner beauty. You know? And as artists, as P-pop artists, yung product po namin usually shows yung inner beauty namin na pina-forward po namin palabas. And so, hindi lang siya basta partnership, hindi lang siya basta endorsement. It is actually a collaboration of ideas po. So, yung vision ng Lux White, gusto po namin pantayan sa stage na meron po kami sa P-pop industry. So, we're really looking forward and very excited to sign this contract.
Yes. Alright, yes. Pakilala din po kayo isa-isa para ma-familiarize din yung audience natin sa mga group members.
1 to 6, always one. Hello, we are
Six Sense! Hello everyone, my name is Hunter.
Hello, my name is Kaiser.
Hello, I am Melly.
Hello po, my name is Ruko.
Hi everyone, I'm Ouija.
Hello guys, my name is Axis. Hello po.
Kaya meron ba kayo as a group na ninyo, parang trademark or opening slogan or something?
Lagi po namin sinasabi na always one. We're six but we are one together. Yan po. Always one, we are Six Sense.
Ako yung 7 cents, siya yung 8 cents.
So how does it feel to be part of the group now, RS and Sam?
No, I feel,
7 and 8.
I feel very elated and excited to be collaborating with Six Sense. When I first saw them, I saw already the potential that they can bring sa Lux White. Nakita ko yun. That's why when I called SV, sabi ko, there's this new P-pop group that you should see na very promising and very talented and very charming and very talagang bagay na bagay dito sa Lux White universe. So, tinignan niya yung social media, nakita niya yung mga ginawang music video. Sabi niya, yeah, RS, bagay nga ang Six Sense sa Lux White. So, here it is now. We are finally having Six Sense. Welcome dito sa Lux White universe. Kasi kanina tinatanong sa akin, ang kinukuha lang ba natin P-pop group, kinukuha lang ba natin ganito? Sabi ko, hindi. Sa Lux White, kinukuha naman natin lahat. Imagine we were able to have in the universe natin Floyd Mayweather. We were able to have Chow Yun-woo. We were able to have the Miss Universe Philippines. But even then, we also had like real people real people na mga taong nagre-represent ng Lux White also. So yun yung sinasabi ko na dito sa Lux White, we embrace lahat yan. It's a whole spectrum. We have mga models, we have celebrities, we have real people, may mga architect, may mga Coast Guard, may mga doktor, may mga everyone. Basta tayo dito, madami. Basta gumagamit ng Lux White at naniniwala sa vision natin sa Lux White Ultimate Collection, welcome po tayo lahat. And yan ang nangyari dito sa bagong P-pop group Sixth Sense. Luigi, could you please tell us, being the creative director of Sixth Sense, what is Sixth Sense? Ano yung vision natin mo as creative director for Sixth Sense?
So, pinangalanan po namin Sixth Sense, yung group na Sixth Sense, because we believe in the theory of 6 degrees of separation, which suggests na everyone in this world is connected. Kaya po, yung tagline namin is always one, because it all boils down to us being together as one dito sa buong mundo. And yun po yung gusto namin iparating sa music namin. Through our music, gusto po namin na magkaroon po ng sense of belonging yung mga taong nakikinig sa amin, yung mga fans po namin, yung mga essence. Yun po yung gusto namin iparating through our music. We want to unite people, kahit anumang age, gender, anumang identity, anuman, they are all welcome to listen to music. Music in general. We believe na the world needs more kindness and more fun, and yun po yung ini-embody ng Sixth Sense, ng music ng Sixth Sense. We want the young audience and the young at heart to never kill the kid inside. Na lahat tayo meron tayong youthful side, lahat tayo meron tong bubbly side, playful side, na huwag natin kakalimutan yung part ng self natin na yun. Yun po talaga yung message ng Sixth Sense.
Yes, para sila mga Peter Pan. Makita mo talaga, sila yung Peter Pan of P-pop. Grabe.
Adds life and brings life and breath of fresh air.
Color.
Matanong ko lang din, saan kayo mapapanood? Ano yung mga channels nyo? And ano yung mga releases nyo para talagang our audience can tune in?
Okay po. Hello po. We are Sixth Sense and hello. Yeah. So meron din po kaming social media accounts and all social media platforms. We are Sixth Sense Official. It's 6ENSC Official. And meron din po kaming website. It's www.sixthsenseofficial.com. And tayo na mapapanood.
Tayo mapapanood sa YouTube channel natin, which is Sixth Sense Official din po. At abangan niyo po yung aming bagong release on September 26th. It's called Mooney Mooney. At dahil magiging possible po yung Mooney Mooney because of Lux White. Dahil pinagkagawa po natin.
Excited na ako sa Mooney na yan. Anyone would like to add anything?
Of course, welcome to our Lux White family. And being a world-class quality product and a household name in the Philippines, that's the goal of the collaboration. Me and Ars always believe that we are in the business of helping and changing people's lives. So it's just not through our products, but through our partnerships, through our collaborations. And I think this is an opportunity, not just for Lux White, but for Sixth Sense to showcase to not just in the Philippines, but in the entire world, because the Lux White product has been touched, used, and seen with world-class celebrities like Cha Yun-woo, Momoland, Mayweather, Catriona Gray, all the Miss Universe, Vice Ganda, Katniel. But now it's like an opportunity for them also as a starting P-pop group to unleash their potential, especially now that they're starting. I think this is our philosophy in RS na everyone deserves a break. Like what what happened to us that we had this break, we had this huge company right now, but we started from a small, minuscule business. Now it turned into a global brand, and that's the goal. To be the best version of ourselves, to unleash the potential of this group, and to see more collaborations, not just with Six Sense, with the future collaborations. So we'd like to officially welcome you to our Lux White family. Okay, Six Sense, welcome po.
Six Sense, welcome to the Luxury family. But before we proceed with the contract signing, you may have questions, our friends and guests from the press that
Yeah,
you
Miss
might
Kate.
want to
Baka may questions si
find
Miss
out
Kate. We have
Six
our
Sense or
friends here, Miss
RS.
Kate.
For RS, where did you discover The Voice?
Where did I discover The Voice? I hosted FAMAS a few weeks ago, and I was fortunate enough to meet them and introduce them on stage. And when I saw them perform, everybody that's an audience were really into them and really screaming and cheering for them. So right there and then I told myself, may potential to. But I wanted to see more pa. So right after the show, I invited them to Vice Comedy Club. Kasi we celebrated kami ni Vice doon kasi Vice won Best Actor. So nandun kami ni Vice, dinala ko sila, pinakilala sila on stage, and they performed on stage. And once again, doon sa Vice Comedy Club, maganda yung reception ng tao. Everybody was screaming, everybody was cheering for them because they were very light, they were very charming. Tapos sabi ko, tara, punta tayo sa Rampa. So nagpunta kami nila Vice sa Rampa Club. Tapos once again, pinasayaw ulit sila doon. And the patrons, the clients of Rampa, loved them and adored them so much. And even si Vice, sabi ni Vice, ang cute naman ito, bagong P-pop to, ang galing. Sabi niya, RS, ang bagay yan sa inyo. Sabi ko, Yaya, soon, gawin natin Lux White yan. So, that's how I was able to discover Six Sense. Sabi ko, itong potential na to, hindi to papakawalan. Bagay kayo sa Lux White.
Nice.
So ginamit mo yung Six Sense mo, naramdaman mo.
Always ganun, yes. Yung Six Sense ko, umandar eh. Kaya sabi ko, eto talaga, yung kutob ko talaga, nakita ko, sabi ko, eto yun. Eto na talaga yung P-pop group to watch out for.
And what will we watch out for in this partnership? Meron bang print, billboard, ano yung mga asset?
Well, as usual, when we do campaigns naman, everything is talagang, we do it over the top. I remember before the pandemic when pati yung buong MRT, we covered it. Kinover natin yan ng talagang lahat ng mga front row gems natin. And marami din dito tayo mga nakaplano. Of course, we have billboards all over the Philippines na maabangan nyo ang Six Sense. And meron kaming tinidevelop na song, especially for Lux White. Because sila mismo yung nagsusulat. Sila mismo yung nagsusulat at nag-produce ng mga material nila. So sabi ko, tara, let's collaborate. Again, the operative word is collaborate. Let's collaborate on something. Gawa tayo ng something for Lux White. Kung paano natin magiging feel good and look good lahat ng tao.
Thank you.
Yun.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kate. We have Josh Mercado. Of course. Kuya Josh.
For our lesson sa na-imagine nyo ba na magiging ganito kalaki yung Lux Universe simula na nag-start itong Lux One? And take us back.
When we started, actually, we didn't thought of making this Lux Universe this big. We just thought at that time na we're just gonna do the business right. We're just gonna support our distributors, give the best quality products, and give it everything just to prove and to the whole industry that this business, when done right, can be a lucrative business that can change people's lives. That's the first goal that we had in RS. And you know, when you do the right things, at tama yung mga ginagawa mo, wala kang tinatapakan, and give it your best, be persistent, and tuloy-tuloy ka lang. Eventually, hindi natin namalayan na palaki na kami ng palaki. From hundreds to thousands, to hundreds and thousands, to millions. From Philippines to other branches all over the world, to branches in different islands in the Philippines, in different cities. it all came natural. Yung growth is very natural, hindi siya pilit, malalim yung foundation. Kaya mahirap tibagin. We've been here for almost 16 years. And now, tuloy-tuloy pa rin collaboration, tuloy yung pag-launch ng products, tuloy yung mga pag-iisip ng mga innovations, pag-launch ng mga systems, dropshipping, mga iba't iba pang klaseng marketing, additional marketing incentives for our distributors. At tuloy-tuloy lang. Lagi nga sinasabi ni Ernest, basta gawin mo lang ito ng tama, tuloy-tuloy, at todo-todo. Wala namang, you're on the right track. And yun, basta wala kang tinatapakan at lumalaban ka ng tapat, kahit pa piso-piso lang yan. Basta marami ang nabebenta mo, basta pinagtatrabahuan mo, and you use the right tools like online, social media. Marami ng platforms ngayon eh. This is the best way to start your own business, especially with Lux White, because everything's here. We're gonna provide you everything. The system, the best products, the best collaborations, of course, the minds behind it. And with that, sa tingin ko, we can do anything. And sky's the limit at tuloy-tuloy lang.
Ito ba yung sinasabi ni Sir SV? And lagi niya po sinasabi, changing lives. And tonight, our lives will be changed because of this. Thank you very much for Sir Reyes.
Last question, Armas, dun sa loob ng 16 years, paano nakatulong yung mga celebrity endorsements dun sa brand?
Actually, hindi naman sila endorsers. They started out as users din eh, believers. I remember, unang-una talaga when we started 2009, 2010 was my cousin, si Cristina Garcia, the supermodel Cristina Garcia, because binibigyan ko siya ng luxury new because mahilig siya mag-sunbathing, mahilig siya magpuyat and all. Sabi ko, try mo itong luxury new. And then when they believe in the products, that's when we said, tara, come in, join us dito. Ganon din yung mga nagiging endorsers natin. Believers muna sila bago sila naging endorsers. Thank you. Baka may questions sila, Chuk. Kasi naririnig ko sila, Chuk, from here. Baka may questions kayo. We can hear you from here. May question, Andy? Question, guys?
Okay na daw si
Okay.
Chuk and si Henrik. Okay. Okay, first, we will take a photo.
Photo.
Parang si Sir Josh, hindi ko makita.